Hey guys, today we're going to be playing some Legendary Football, and today we have somebody that called me out while playing the match. Well, my friend Anthony. Say what's up, Anthony.
What's up? Hello.
Are you running it? So he called me out. He said he was gonna moss me. He said he's gonna look at the score right now. I've been catching all these touchdowns right now.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's good. But he's been calling me out. Like, look at all the messages, guys. I was QB, now I'm a wide receiver. He said I was a hacker, and I said I just made my way up to the top, blah, 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 blah.
Oh my gosh.
Right, Anthony was here the whole time. Did I use the, you know when you can do the points and twist the points? Did I do that, or did I make all these?
Hey, what you say?
Did I make all the touchdowns? You know how you could put, like, slash, make the points one number? Did I do that, or did I make all these touchdowns?
No, he did not do that. You can look in chat. Scroll down and look in chat.
I tried to do it. I don't know why. I just got bored. So I said slash score, but all these other ones. Anthony, you keep throwing over my head.
I'm sorry.
This is good. Alright, we gotta hurry up. Let me run it. I'm going first. Come here. Block. Cause I'm gonna be first. Alright, I didn't need. What the? Back up, trying to kiss me. Get yourself.
Oh, that's disgusting, bro.
Come on. Yeah, he called me out. Anthony was even there because we were playing a game and we got bored. Well, you said 1v1. I know.
Go.
Come on. Thank you. That's on me. That's easy. Get up! That's up 30K.
Sit down.
Bruh, no, because that was a boost. So they see me. I just got boosted. They didn't see me like catch it normally. They see me got boosted catch. Hurry up for the clock. Do 70. No. Do 75 power. Easy.
Oh, you lost it. You got a loss?
Yeah, because I was behind him. He could have got that, bro. He called me out. He said he's going to beat me. I was behind him a little bit, only a little bit, not too much.
By the way, I'm not him. I'm the one doing this.
Yeah, Anthony's on my team. He's that guy. He's on my team.
I'm not the guy.
Why they could see it? Because your name is Basketball Anthony and not Chase.
Now, so.
Why do you put your name in your real? Or is that not your real name? And you just got called by your name. Because I get called by Jordan. But that's not my real name. Yeah. Cringe. Or there go yours this mic. Wait. Then where are all these other ones? Where's mine at? No. Where's 84?
Where's mine?
Here's mine.
Where's 59?
Yeah.
Where's mine?
It's 284. That's weird.
Don't skip it. I want to find mine.
99. How can we not find yours? Yours is 99, right? Where's 99? Wait, let me see. 99, yeah. Oh, it's right here. We've been pressing this right here.
Oh, yeah. Now we can skip.
Oh, we skipped. Alright. Oh, we got. Doesn't wash him off. But he's scared, bro. Didn't he just knee earlier to safety?
Yeah, he tried to get a safety.
Yeah, he's probably going safety now. He's scared. I should jump. If I jumped, I probably could have got that. I don't know. But he's gonna add almost. Where is it? Go back here. Get him. Let me be QB. Alright. Go back here. All the way back here. I don't care. I'm done with this kid. Boom. I don't care. I'm kneeling all the way back here. I can see. I don't care. I'm done with this kid. He took all that big stuff. If I get here by first down, I'm gonna be surprised. That's sad. That is sad. Don't you get that? That's sad. He's probably been playing longer than me. He said, ugh. He's probably going to quit now. Wow. He wants the most you. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, you're better than me at defender. So if he, I don't know how that's gonna happen.
Don't go for a touchdown.
Okay, you said one time? Okay. Hand off me real quick. I'm gonna throw the touchdown. Bruh, he said he wanna beat you.
Hey, I'm a boss.
I know you are. Alright, stay over there. Stay in there. Because I'm not good at QB anymore. Yep, it's far. That's way too far. But who's going to catch it?
Okay, he got boosted.
How did you let him catch that on you? Come on, man. Come on. Come on. If I make this, I can't. This is impossible. This is way. That's more than 20 yards. 30. I want to go to 50, right?
When it's his ball, say timeout. I mean, don't say timeout. Say
Turn over here. I'm gonna tackle him back. I'm gonna tackle him backwards. I hate when people do this. It's so hard to see. I don't know how they do that.
No, you're going shift lock mode.
TV. TV. There you go. That's perfect. How did you know? He jammed you. Did he? Give me the ball. I don't know how I turned out being quarterback. Oh my god, I keep jumping. That's my bad. Still got it. He's trash. I gotta take my earbuds out so the video can hear you. Bro, I keep. Okay, I'm gonna throw 70 because I'm done. Cause I've been guarding you. I'm gonna wait till he goes up to you. Alright, he's close enough. This is sad. This is sad. It's just sad. This is actually sad. God, I'm about to play with one hand. I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to play with one hand. You know these little, what the keys called? What the small key calls? The arrows?
Arrow keys. Yeah.
Arrow keys. I'm gonna use those to move. Bro, this is so hard. I can't do it. Okay, turn. Wait, I'm in shift lock, so I can use my mouse. And then if I click like that, yeah, that's right. I love it. Let me talk with him real quick. Just talk with him real quick. What? I didn't get him. Don't.
It's fumble. Oh, yeah, I knew it. I knew you were gonna fumble. I was just about to say fumble him. Okay.
Are you dun stupid? Bruh. How did you not get him? I should have jumped over. I wonder what's for dinner. This ain't dark. It's probably like 4 right now, or 3. No, because I told this to my friend at 4, right? Because she sent me she said hi at like 3, right? Let me check real quick. 4. Yeah. No, I'm done. Dumping.
My bad if you get that.
Yeah, can I get that? Yeah.
If you don't get that, never mind. If you don't get that.
Mind the people in the background, by the way, guys. It's my uncle and his friends. Yeah! He got lucky. He got lucky. I dove back. I thought he was not going to get that. He got lucky.
What?
Oh, I'm about to play with one hand.
Cameo right here.
What? What you want? What you want, Noah? I'm recording.
I get you.
Okay. I'm almost done, okay? Done in a second. I'm not even pressing that. Let me move from
Yeah,
this.
real with the steering.
Come on, over, go. You got people. You got people.
No, don't throw it.
Grandma wants you.
Throw it. I don't really care. Throw it. Just throw it. This is dumb.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Huh?
I can't. Yes.
Did you ever check the mail?
Yeah. I think I did.
She's calling you.
Alright.
He's not playing with us anymore.
That. Knee. Dude. Stop wasting time. I have to do something.
You're gonna come back?
Yeah. I'm just let the video run out.
Cameo.
Yes.
Did you hear what I said?
Yes, I'm coming. Yes. Here. Why'd you running? Hurry up. Hurry up. Guys, I'm not playing with you. Just draw. What? Why would you do that? 70 bomb. Okay, it depends whoever takes this. Dang it, I was on the bench. Oh. I'm freaking doing turnover after this. Hurry up, dumb kid. Make that him fumble. Flash fumble. Yeah.
Turnover. TV.
Hurry up. Yeah, kid. Wait for him.
Don't matter, just cat.
Wait for him. No, wait for him. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Sorry I haven't been up on. It's been a while. Anthony, you can say your part of the video. No. Just don't say anything. See you guys later. Bye. Say bye. Bye.